I broke the Grom. Let me tell you what happened and exactly how to fix it. My check engine light came on and the bike started bogging in 4th and 5th gear, and you could smell extra gas coming from the exhaust, which meant that it was running rich. At that point, I realized it put itself into limp mode. So today, I plugged in my car's OBD2 scanner with the 6-pin dongle, only to find out that I was throwing a code for a lean reading in the O2 sensor. So let's fix it. First thing you gotta do is clear the check engine light, and then you're gonna take a paper clip and put it in these 2 pins. Then you wanna open your throttle wide open and turn on your ignition. Then your check engine light will flash fast a couple times and soon after slow a couple times. That's how you know that you properly reset the bike's ECU. Little did I know, you're supposed to do this when you put a new exhaust on because it changes the air to fuel ratio in the engine. So my bike basically still thought I was running a stock exhaust. One other thing I had to check was the flange where the exhaust pipe connects to the header. And little did I know, shoved up in there is an exhaust crush washer. Virtually, when you tighten your exhaust, it crushes to the shape of the head of your exhaust to seal it properly. And because I changed it from the stock one, I might have had a slight exhaust leak. So a quick pickup from my local motorcycle store. I got a new exhaust washer, yanked out the old one, put the new one up inside the head of the bike, and then meticulously and evenly retightened the exhaust to make sure that it clamped properly. Now, when you do reset your ECU, you want to do it on a cold bike so that when it's relearning the parameters, it learns them truly from scratch. Let the fuel pump prime, fired up no problem, no check engine. We're gonna let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes to relearn itself. Smells good. And just like that, if you're running lean on your O2 sensor, you should be ready to rock and back on the road. I hope you found that helpful. So on that note, hit the follow button to stay tuned as we build, maintain, and drive the hell out of my 2025 Honda Grom and my 2015 Audi A4. Peace!